Hey Lennox, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good. Okay, so we're gonna do syllabication.
Roger.
Okay, so the first step is to underline the first two vowels. So can you underline the first two vowels?
Roger.
Where's the say that, please?
Okay.
It's okay. Underline, that's the first vowel. Do you need a second vowel? Good. Label those. No, wait, no, label first.
Oops.
Now you're gonna make your bridge. Excellent, okay. Now go ahead and underline the letters that are remaining. So you have two, so that's fine. Go ahead and label those. What are those? Excellent. Now look up here. Which type is that?
1.
Number 1. Okay, show me with this where you're gonna draw your line. Excellent, very good. Go ahead and draw your line. Excellent. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to look right. Do you see any more vowels that are not an E by itself? You say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cover, label, go ahead and label that, no, stop, label that one, perfect.
I can do this.
No, let's put a sticky, makes it a little bit easier, okay? Now go ahead and make your bridge.
The rest of the bridge?
The bridge, are you gonna include this V here?
No.
Very good, let's erase it, okay, good. Erase a little bit better. There you go. Okay, so how many, don't do anything yet. How many letters do you have left in the bridge?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Okay, so you have 3.
Which means one of them goes to the other.
So we can only have 2, so we're gonna have to group those. Can you think of anything that should be grouped? Excellent, so this is an ending blend, so you can group that. So put a line under that together. And well, I would kind of do it more like here, there. Okay, so they're together. And then there's your, do you have another consonant?
H here.
Excellent, good. Now go ahead and label those. Perfect. Okay, excellent. Go ahead and put your pencil down. What do you have here? Say it. V.
V, C, C, V.
So what?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, so go ahead and show me where you would divide it with your wall. Excellent. Go ahead and divide it. Perfect. Now look right. Do you see any more vowels? Sorry.
No.
No. Okay, then we can go ahead and label. So here's your little labeling strip. Look at your first one. What is that?
CL.
Mm-hmm.
CL.
What does CL stand for?
Closed.
Good.
Closed. I have hiccups. Closed.
Excellent. Okay, can you go ahead and do you want to go ahead and you want to go ahead and sound out that word for me? You can make that sound.
N. Camp. Encampment.
Excellent. Say it again.
Encampment.
Do you know what that means? No. Actually got some pictures today. So an encampment.
Oh, a
it's
camping site.
Yeah, it could be a camping site. Sometimes people live there. It could also be a temporary place for like military as well. Encampment. Excellent. Okay, let's look at our next one. What is our first step?
Underline the vowel.
First two vowels. So underline the first two vowels very neatly. Label those. Okay, make your bridge slowly, so nice and neat. Now count how many other letters you have in there.
3. Putting
So what can we put together?
this whole thing.
Yeah, what is that called?
I forgot.
So this is we can do this as a consonant. So underline that one. Underline first. And then,
And then we could do ch.
And that's a diagram. Good, so those stay together. Good.
So you like this is a diagram?
No, just a line like that. Just label that one. There you go. Okay, so put your pencil down.
BCC.
So show me where's the movable wall? Here it is. Okay, show me where you're gonna divide it.
There's a portable wall.
Excellent. Go ahead and do that.
Here.
Okay, now look right. Do you see any more vowels that are not a magic E? Here, focus. Do you see any more vowels that are not a magic E?
Is C? I think it's magic though.
This is not a magic E, no, it's not at the end. So what is this letter?
E.
E, so you're gonna underline that one and label it. Now we're gonna cover up what you want to see with us. Okay. Now make another bridge. A bridge. So you want to start here. Yeah, there you go.
He's stuck in the
So
box.
I would just make sure that you, it has to be really like precise, okay? Okay, now, how many letters do you have there? 1,
3.
3, so we can only have 2, so what can we group together?
Turn.
Actually, I would,
TR.
I would actually do the NT, do the end, the ending blank, yeah.
Okay.
That goes together. Wait, underline both, now label them. Okay, now where you're going to divide. So be careful when, because, let's see, where you're gonna divide. So, that's where you have to be really careful with your lines, because it's kind of hard to see. Remember with the last one I told you? Next, look this way. You kind of made that one really long. So make this one, and then this one. You want it to be separate, okay? So now you can see them better. You have to be really careful with those lines. Good. There you go. So go ahead and that's perfect. Go, wait, okay, good, go slow. Just a straight line. Okay, excellent. So now we're gonna go ahead and label those. What's the first one?
Close.
Close. The second one, make sure you can see it. You have to move your hand so you can see it. What is this one?
Closed.
And the last one?
Closed.
Okay, go ahead and sound that out for me. Wait, what sound does the E make?
Chant or rest. Enchantress.
Enchantress. Say it again.
Enchantress.
Good, excellent. You know what that is?
Nope.
No. Yeah, I actually got you a picture of that one too. It is a woman who practices magic, or a fascinating, beautiful woman. I put one like a more of a modern time and more like an old medieval time one. What's the word again?
Enchanter or enchantress.
Say that again.
Enchant or is. Enchantress.
Good job. Excellent. Enchantress. Okay, last one. Go ahead, I'll take these. Go ahead. And what's your first step?
Underline the vowel.
I'll be very precise. Oh, hold your pencil right, because I think it's hard when you don't. Yeah, you gotta be really precise with your underlines.
You.
Label those. Slowly make your bridge. Show me what type is that?
1.
1. Okay, show me where you're gonna divide it. Excellent. Go ahead and draw the line. Okay, look right. Do you see any more vowels that are not a magic E?
This E.
Yes. Go ahead and underline it. Label it.
Sticky.
You wanted it sticky today, huh? Let me just check before when you put it on.
Sorry.
Let me check. Okay, good. Now make another bridge slowly. Okay. What do you have? Anything? Label everything in the bridge.
It's small as L.
Okay, so what do you have in that? What's that?
VCV.
VCV. So what is that?
Number 2.
Number 2. Good. So go ahead and show me.
Am I ever going to use number 3?
We'll get there eventually, yes. Yes, right there. Okay. So go ahead and be careful. Go slow.
We should do it with pencil because we don't know yet.
Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, do it with pencil first. There you go. Perfect. Okay. No. Do the line with the red.
But if it's not it, we can erase the red.
You're good. That's the one we're doing. We're doing is number 2. So go ahead and do it with your red.
Me too.
Mhm.
Oh.
When we get to number 3, I see what you're saying. When we get to number 3, then we can move it if we need to, but right now we have 1 and 2.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and remove the sticky. Label your syllables, please.
Close. Open.
Open. Man, I got an open one.
Close again.
Closed again. Okay.
C-O-O-C-O.
Okay, you want to sound that one out for me?
Suck. Succulent.
You know what that means?
Kind of like a small cactus.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you
I
gave me.
can't forget because it's your favorite thing.
You remember you gave me succulent sometimes, huh? Yes. So you know what it is. Succulent. Excellent. Can you practice reading me those words
I
to
have
me?
a big succulent in my front
Can you
yard.
practice reading those words to me one more time?
Encampment,
Mm-hmm.
enchantress, succulent.
Good job, Betty. Excellent. Very well. Well done.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Stop me.